Good morning, y'all. It's Regina from Marsh Knitting 101. Welcome in, my yarny and crafty friends. Welcome in, my new family members and returning family members. How's everybody doing? It is Saturday. Yay! Happy Saturday. It is May the 21st. So you guys know what that means. I am here to pick my semi-finalists for Connie's Just Because collab giveaway. Yay! And I am so appreciative of each and every one who's come over and left me wonderful comments. I have read them all, but I haven't answered them. I'll wait until the contest is done so I don't mess up something, because I'm afraid if I leave a comment, maybe it mess up the YouTube picker thingy. But I enjoyed each and every one of you guys, and thank you guys so much, and welcome in my new family members. I appreciate that you guys decided to come aboard. All right, so enough of my talking. Let's see who my semi-finalist winner is. So I'm going to copy my link, and I'm going to go to the YouTube comment picker, and we'll put it in. Paste, and then I'm going to duplicate filters, and I want to say good luck to everybody, and we're going to get our comments. I have a total of 169, so good luck to everybody, and here we go. Who is my semi-finalist? Here we go. Crochet, cooking, and crafts. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the first of it, because I'm horrible at pronouncing things. So she put, "Hi again. My summer plans include road trips to North Carolina once, in Maine twice. Hubby and I love road trips." So there is my semi-finalist. Congratulations! Woo! And you have 7 days to contact me. So you can email me at reginamarsh3184@gmail.com, and I will drop it in the link below and in the description box below, not the link below. But thank you so much, and congratulations! Yay! And have a wonderful and blessed day in Rock Yarn, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!